So as you build rapport, you're building value in yourself, you're building value in your agency, you're building value in the independent agent that you are. That way, you're not focused on price. Hi, Therese with Agency Performance Partners here to talk about presenting the quote. So when you present a quote to a customer, it is very, very important that you use strategies to relate to the client. So when you are collecting the information for the quote, you want to make sure that you're building rapport, not only in yourself and connecting to the customer, but you also want to build the agency too. So you want to do maybe a personal pitch and an agency pitch. So you're basically saying a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your agency, and also you want to introduce what an independent agent is. A lot of customers do not realize that an independent agent is someone who can actually shop different carriers for them. So you become a person in the middle so they don't have to go shop their insurance. So you want to do something like, "Hi, this is Therese from Agency Performance Partners. I've been in the insurance industry about 15 years. My goal is to make sure your insurance is keeping up with your lifestyle. Your life changes every 90 days, and I want to make sure your insurance is keeping up with you. My agency has been in business for 25 years. We focus on customer relations and making sure that we dig into all of the assets and everything you have going on in your life so we can make sure that you are insured properly." And I also want to mention that we are an independent insurance agency. So that means we work with 15 to 20 different carriers. And if you're not happy with one, we can definitely quote you in another carrier. We definitely want to find what works for you. So that's kind of how you would build rapport at the beginning. You just kind of do a little speech to the customer. And then you could say to the customer, "Now I'd love to hear about you. Would you tell me a little bit about yourself?" So then you're connecting with them. You're building rapport. They understand how long the agency's been in business, how long you've been in insurance. And you can always use people in your offices. So some people say 80 years of experience because how long the agency's been open. If you take everybody's experience and you add it together, that's where those numbers come from. So you want to build rapport, which helps build credibility and trust in you and your agency. You also want to check with the client. How do you want me to contact you? Text, phone, email. If they do say email and you're presenting the quote, you don't want to email the quote to them. Maybe call them and say, "Hey, I've emailed it to you. Can you open it up and we can review it together?" Because you don't want them going right to price. That's the big thing about this conversation. We are trying to make this about value. So as you build rapport, you're building value in yourself, you're building value in your agency, you're building value in the independent agent that you are. That way, you're not focused on price. Many, many years ago, 10, 15 years ago, it was about price and it was about getting the lowest price. Now we've got to realize we have to make sure that our customers are covered properly, especially today's day and age with all of the natural disasters and all the crazy things that are happening in our world. We need to make sure our customers are covered properly. So presenting that quote, doing it in a manner that they appreciate, building that rapport, building that value in your agency and in the product you're selling will make a huge difference. I hope this helps. Check us out at agencyperformancepartners.com. Have a great day. See you next time.